Alright, so metal keycaps have been around for a while now, but only for standard profile keyboards. This changes with the Awekeys Air, which is the world's first metal low-profile keycaps. Now, this is not Awekeys' first rodeo when it comes to metal keycaps, as they are one of the few brands that specializes in this category. This is probably the most unique, fanciest, and easiest way to upgrade your low-profile keyboard sound, feel, and aesthetic appeal. But what are the pros and cons? Well, we're about to find out, so let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, this video is not paid, but Awekeys did send us an early prototype for me to share with you my honest thoughts. They will not see this video or even my script prior to release. Now, the Awekeys Air will be available in 6 color options, 3 layouts, 2 finish options, and 2 stem types. So pretty much any low profile keyboard and switches are covered. What I have here is the copper variant with a satin finish. Take note though that this is an early prototype, so we might see some minor cosmetic imperfections. Now, for this video, we're going to install it on the NuPhy Node 75, which by the way, you can watch my review here. The keycap set came with this nice metal keycap puller that also has a hidden cross stem keycap holder. Now, the Awekeys Air features a uniform profile with a slightly recessed center and looks almost identical to the stock plastic keycaps of the NuPhy Node 75. Even the height is quite comparable. By the way, I also have their standard profile metal keycaps, and as you can tell, the quality and craftsmanship are essentially identical, just different profiles. By the way, please subscribe for the dedicated video about the standard profile metal keycaps. Now, looking closer, as you can tell, the satin variant features a relatively smooth surface with a pretty decent and consistent quality. It also features nano coating for better scratch resistance. I actually tried scraping the legends, but it stayed intact, which is a good sign. For mounting, it features an open Cherry MX style cross layout, and each keycap also has a legend underneath, which is a good touch. Now, at least for my experience, the keycap's tolerance varies depending on each switch. Since we have solid mounting points without the flexibility of plastic, sometimes it's hard to install and even harder to remove, like on these red nano switches. Not to mention, the thinner surface area of the low profile switch makes it even more challenging to remove. But on other switches, it's easier, so there's that. Alright, so after a while, we now have a premium looking NuPhy Node 75. And I would say it really makes it look and feel premium, especially with the added weight. It now weighs around a kilogram compared to 659 grams stock. Each one new keycap weighs around 5 grams compared to 0.8 grams stock, which is quite substantial. The keyboard still flexes though, with the majority of its components made out of plastic, but the Awekeys Air definitely gave it a little bit of oomph. But what strikes me the most after installing these keycaps is the sound and typing feel. It feels more robust with a deeper sound signature. Granted, the NuPhy Node 75 already sounds good out of the box, but these metal keycaps definitely amplify the low end with a more solid downstroke. And it also made the stabilizers feel snappy. Now, before we wrap this up, let me share with you a proper sound test in comparison. Alright, I gotta be honest, at first I wasn't totally thrilled about metal keycaps. I felt like it wasn't really that interesting or just a gimmick. But now that I've tried it, it actually makes a keyboard better, not just in terms of aesthetic appeal, but also in terms of sound and feel. Now the question is, does it justify the $169 SRP? Well, maybe, but it would be better if you get this via the Kickstarter price of just $119. But yeah, if you want a different experience, you should definitely consider this. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Huge thanks to Awekeys for sending this in. You can get this via their ongoing Kickstarter campaign, link below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.